Welcome to our channel. If you want to save money on phone service, follow these step-by-step instructions to compare MVNOs against major carriers. Step 1. Understand that MVNOs are mobile virtual network operators that lease network access from major carriers. Companies like Mint Mobile, Cricket, and Visible use networks from Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. Step 2. Identify which major carrier network performs best in your area. Check coverage maps and ask friends which carriers work well where you live and work. Step 3. Research MVNOs that operate on your preferred carrier's network. Multiple MVNOs use each major network, offering various prices and plan options while using the same coverage. Step 4. Compare plan features beyond just monthly cost. Check data speeds, hotspot capabilities, international features, customer service availability, and any restrictions or limitations. Step 5. Understand network priority differences between MVNOs and major carriers. MVNO customers typically have lower priority during network congestion, potentially experiencing slower speeds at busy times. Step 6. Evaluate customer service options and reputation. MVNOs often provide online-only support, while major carriers offer retail stores, phone support, and more comprehensive assistance. Step 7. Check device compatibility and any restrictions on phone financing. Some MVNOs require you to purchase phones outright, while major carriers offer device payment plans and upgrades. Step 8. Calculate total annual costs including all fees and taxes. Major carriers may add significant fees to advertised rates. MVNOs usually have simpler pricing with taxes included, while major carriers may add significant fees to advertised rates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.